If you just want the short answer, here it is. Xero for most small businesses. QuickBooks if your accountant wants you on it. Zoho Books if you're trying to keep costs down. FreshBooks if you mainly bill clients for your time. And a spreadsheet if you're honestly not there yet. That's basically the whole video. You're free to go. But stick around a few minutes, because choosing accounting software isn't about finding the one with the longest feature list. It's about finding the one that stops annoying you 6 months in. And that's where people get caught out. A lot of these companies throw a big discount at you when you sign up. Feels great at the time. Feels great at the time. Then the discount ends. The real price hits your card, and by then, you've got a year of transactions. And switching feels like a project. I run multiple small businesses, and I've paid for all of these myself. So, instead of reading you 40 features per tool, I'm going to score them on the 4 things that actually decide this. Tell you what each one is genuinely great at, and tell you where each one starts to get annoying. Let's get into it. How I'm actually ranking these. Quick note, because most videos skip this, and it's why their top 5 order feels random. I'm scoring every platform on 4 things, and nothing else. Real cost over a full year, not the promo price. What it costs to add people to your books, how much manual work it removes, and how much it fights you as your business changes. Features that don't move one of those 4 don't matter. Every platform here does invoicing, reporting, and reconciliation. That's table stakes in 2026. That's why so many comparison videos feel like the same paragraph 5 times. Let me go through the 4 quickly. First, what will you actually pay over a full year? Don't get excited about the introductory price. A lot of these run 50, 70, even 90% off for new customers. Just find the regular price too, because that's the one you'll be living with. Second, how much does it cost to add users? Easy one to overlook. Maybe it's just you today, but then you bring on a bookkeeper. Then your accountant needs access. Then a partner or an employee. Some platforms charge you for every one of those. Others don't charge you a cent. Over a year, that gap gets bigger than the subscription itself. Third, what does your accountant already use? Sounds boring. It matters. If they work in QuickBooks daily, if you show up with something completely different, they're learning your setup on your dime. Fourth, does your bank actually connect? Check this before you sign up, not after. If there's no proper bank feed, you're downloading CSV files and importing transactions by hand every month. At that point, you basically bought yourself a spreadsheet with a nicer dashboard. Hold that thought, by the way. All right, number 1 pick, Xero. Xero is the one I use for my own books. For most small businesses, it's where I'd start. Millions of subscribers worldwide. It doesn't feel heavy. The 3 Xero features that actually matter. 1. Unlimited users on every single plan. This deserves way more attention. Every plan, even the cheapest one. Say it's you, your spouse, your bookkeeper, and your accountant. That's 4 people. On a per-user platform, that's 4 seats you might be paying for. With Xero, your bill doesn't move. 2. Bank reconciliation plus HubDoc for receipts. Reconciliation is genuinely my favorite part. It suggests the match, you confirm, you move on. Categorize recurring stuff automatically. Photograph a receipt, forward a bill, and it pulls the details out. No shoebox of receipts. It pulls the details out and attaches them to the transaction. No shoebox of receipts. 3. The app marketplace with native connections. If you're running e-commerce or taking payments through Stripe or Square, there's a good chance Xero has a proper built integration for it. Not a workaround, an actual connection. Other things worth knowing: quotes and invoices with online payment links, purchase orders, project tracking, and expense claims. US regular prices, early $25, growing $55. Xero pricing. US regular prices, early $25, growing $55. You'll probably see lower promotional pricing. If you sell cross-border, that's your tier. The early plan caps you at 20 invoices. And 5 bills per month. If you're sending more, the $25 plan isn't for you. For a small business with more than 1 person, Xero is my pick. Now, let's talk about QuickBooks. Extremely popular, especially in North America. It's good software, genuinely. The 3 QuickBooks features that matter. 1. Reporting depth, especially class and location tracking. You can run a profit and loss for one store, one property, or one product line. 2. Inventory and project profitability on Plus. Real inventory tracking with cost of goods sold calculated for you. Plus, low stock alerts and project profitability that pulls labor, materials, and expenses into one view. 3. Your accountant already knows it. If yours says just use QuickBooks, there's value in that. QuickBooks pricing. Solopreneur, $20. Simple Start, $38. Essentials, $75. User limits are baked into the tiers. Plus, $115 advanced, $275 per month. Team size can push you up a plan. Be careful with integrations. Some rely on middleware like Zapier. That's another subscription. My QuickBooks verdict. Choose it if your accountant prefers it or if you need the stronger inventory. Otherwise, I'd go Xero. Now the budget pick. If keeping costs low is important, Zoho Books deserves a look. Standard is $15. 1. The client portal. Customers get their own login to view invoices and pay without emailing you. 2. Workflow automation. Build rules that fire on their own. Send payment reminders, apply late fees, or categorize recurring transactions. 3. The wider Zoho ecosystem. If you use Zoho CRM or inventory, it slots straight in. Data moves between them. Before you sign up, check your bank. Bank feed coverage is the area where I wouldn't assume anything. FreshBooks is a little different. I'd think of it as excellent invoicing that also handles your books. For freelancers, 1. Time tracking that turns straight into an invoice. Track hours against a project, then pull them into an invoice. 2. The getting paid stack. Automatic reminders, late fees, and online payments. You can see when a client opened your invoice. 3. Proposals and client collaboration. Send a proposal, convert to a project, then an invoice. The whole relationship lives in one tool. Lite is $19, but has a 5-client limit. Land a 6th, and you're upgrading if you have many small clients. And the option nobody recommends, a spreadsheet. For some, it's the right answer. No subscription. You own the file forever. Start on a spreadsheet if you're very small and volume is low. It's better than no bookkeeping, but treat it as a starting point. The moment you're spending more than an hour a month on data entry, the spreadsheet is costing you more than software would. So, team needs access? Xero. Accountant uses QuickBooks? QuickBooks. Bill by the hour? FreshBooks. Budget constraint? Zoho Books. Tiny? A spreadsheet. Xero for most businesses. Don't stress the perfect choice. Just pick one and start tracking. Tell me your business type in the comments. Thanks for watching.